Refrigeration and air conditioning. Topic basics: vapor compression refrigeration system, cascade refrigeration system, vapor absorption refrigeration system, gas refrigeration cycle, refrigerants, air conditioning and psychometric chart, refrigeration equipments. RAC. Open system, steady state these are all assumptions. Steady state delta K is equal to 0, delta P is equal to 0. We studied all this in thermodynamics, but let's have a look here once more time. SFE H1 plus Q is equal to H2 plus WCV. Adiabatic, reversible, irreversible. Q is equal to, in both cases, Q is equal to 0, WCV is equal to H1 minus H2. Polytropic, PV power n is equal to constant, WCV is equal to minus integral VdP, WCV is equal to n by n minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2. Subcooled region, this 1 to is subcooled region. HF minus HL is equal to Cp liquid into Tsat minus T1. This is Tsat, this is T1. SF minus S1 is equal to Cp liquid into ln of Tsat by T1. Wet region, which means it is between F and G, that is 2. H2 is equal to HF plus X2 into HFG. Sg minus Sf is equal to Lh by latent heat by Tsat. S2 is equal to Sf plus X2 into Sfg. Sg minus Sf is equal to Hg minus Hf by Tsat. LHQP is equal to Hg minus Hf. LH is equal to Hg minus Hf. 3 superheated ideal gas H3 minus Hg is equal to CPV into T3 minus Tsat. S3 minus Sg is equal to Cr into ln of T3 by Tsat minus R ln P by Psat, which is 0. So S3 minus Sg is equal to CPV ln of T3 by Tsat. Ln of T3 by Tsat. Ideal cycle for refrigeration: reversed Carnot cycle. 1 to 2 isentropic compression. 2 to 3 isothermal heat rejection. 3 to 4 isentropic expansion. 4 to 1 isothermal heat addition. COP refrigeration is equal to QL by W input. COP heat pump is equal to QH by W input, because desired effect in refrigeration is QL, heat removed. Desired effect in heat pump is heat provided to QH. CP refrigeration is equal to COP heat pump minus 1. COP heat pump minus COP refrigeration is equal to 1. COP refrigeration is equal to TL by TH minus TL. COP heat pump is equal to TH by TH minus TL. This is only for reversed Carnot cycle. An example based on that. The expression developed in terms of temperature can be used when cycle is internally reversible, may or may not be externally reversible. Heat addition and heat rejection should be isothermal. Temperature should be temperature of working fluid. The efficiency eta of engine increases by increasing TH and by decreasing TL, but increment is more when TL is decreased. And TL is decreased. COP of heat pump and refrigeration increases by decreasing TH and increasing TL. Here increasing TL is more beneficial. Here increasing TL is more beneficial. The COP of AC is more than COP of refrigerant, but the electricity bill of AC is more because the total heat removed, that is desired effect, is more as compared to refrigerator. Since total space to cool is more, to be cooled is more, heat generation sources are present, fan, light, people, and heat leakage from outside. The amount of heat absorbed to maintain a space at lower temperature is called refrigeration. The rate of absorption is called refrigeration. The rate of heat absorption is called refrigeration capacity. The effect of heat rejected is called heating effect, and the heat rejection is called heating capacity. The 1 ton of refrigeration, 1 TR is equal to 3.5 kilowatt is equal to 211 kilojoule per minute is equal to 50.4 kilocalorie per minute. It is amount of heat which has to be removed to convert 1 ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade into 1 ton of ice at 0 degrees centigrade in 24 hours. Hence 1 ton of refrigeration represents heat transfer rate. Okay. Vapor compression refrigeration system: 1 to 2 isentropic compression, 2 to 3 isobaric heat rejection, 3 to 4 throttling, 4 to 1 isobaric heat absorption. Isobaric heat absorption in actual unit refrigeration, refrigerate leaving the evaporator is superheated in actual unit. Okay. 1 to 2 compressed isentropically, then in condenser heat rejected isobarically. 3 to 4 is throttling, which means H constant. 4 to 1 is heat absorbed isobarically, heat absorbed isobarically. TS diagram: 1 to 2 is isentropic compression, so temperature increases. 2 to 3 is isobaric, it will be condensed. Then 3 to 4 is throttling, it will be like this. 4 to 1 is like this. pH diagram: the dome will be like this. 1 to 2 pressure increases, 2 to 3 isobaric, then a straight line as H is equal to constant, then 4 to 1. Simple VC cycle or ideal VC cycle, vapor compression cycle. Uh, 1 saturated vapor, 3 saturated liquid. Function is defined, so 3 to 4 is straight line, which is throttling. HS diagram: 1 to 2 H increases as temperature increases. 2 to 3 isobaric, it will be like this. H decreases. Isobaric heat rejection, so H decreases. Then 3 to 4 is constant and constant enthalpy. 4 to 1 H increases as it is isobaric heat addition. These two are constant pressure lines. TDS is equal to DH minus VDP. DH by DS is equal to T. Saturated 1 is saturated vapor, 3 is saturated liquid. Applying steady flow energy equation in various stages. Steady state: delta K is equal to 0, delta P is equal to 0, Hi plus Q is equal to He plus WCV. Compressor isentropic: Q is equal to 0, WCV is equal to Hi minus He. W input is equal to He minus Hi is equal to H2 minus H1. W input is equal to H2 minus H1. Second, condenser WCV is equal to 0. Q is equal to He minus Ha. Q rejected is equal to Hi minus He is equal to H2 minus H3. Q rejected is equal to H2 minus H3. 3 throttling: H3 is equal to H4. 4 evaporated WCV is equal to 0. Hi plus Q is equal to He. Q absorbed is equal to H1 minus H4. COP is equal to refrigeration effect by W input is equal to H1 minus H4 by H2 minus H1 is equal to H1 minus H3 by H2 minus H1. Refrigeration capacity RC is equal to M dot into RA. W dot input is equal to M dot into W input. Volumetric efficiency in reciprocating compressor. V eta V is equal to volume entering by volume swept. Eta V is equal to V1 minus V4 by V1 minus V3. Volume it will be volume swept will be V1 to V3, but actual inlet suction is only V1 minus V4. Eta is equal to 1 plus C minus C into P2 by P1 whole power 1 by n. C is equal to V3 by V1 minus V3, the clearance ratio, which is nothing but VC, clearance by V swept, V1 minus V3. N is polytropic index. Eta is equal to 1 plus C minus C into P2 by P1 whole power 1 by n. Effect of various properties on performance of vapor compression cycle. Reduction in evaporator pressure. Refrigeration effect is 1 to 4. So this line decreases, refrigeration effect decreases, work input is 1 to 2, work input increases, COP decreases as refrigeration effect decreases and work input increases. Eta V is equal to 1 plus C minus C P2 by P1 whole power 1 by n. This ratio increases, so eta V also decreases. Reduction in evaporator pressure decreases the refrigeration effect, work input to COP and volumetric efficiency. In TS diagram also it is represented. The evaporator pressure depends on temperature of evaporator, which depends on the desired effect of machine, that is air conditioning or ice making. Increase in condenser pressure, if you increase like this pH diagram, and this is in TS diagram, if you increase like this, refrigeration effect is decreasing, this line is decreasing, work input is increasing, so COP decreases, RE by work input decreases, eta V also decreases as this ratio is increasing. The condenser pressure depends on condenser temperature, which further depends on ambient temperature. And as here heat is to be rejected, that will be ambient temperature. Superheating of suction vapor to compressor. Suction vapor to compressor. If we move further like this, 1 prime to 2 prime, 1 prime to 2 prime here, isobaric colony, then refrigeration effect is increasing, work input is also increasing, COP is equal to RA by work input. RA by work input. For R134A, R12, this refrigerator COP is increasing. NH3 and R22 COP is decreasing. Eta V remains same as we are not changing the pressure. Work input increases due to superheating, because superheating increases volume of fluid. Since both refrigeration effect and work input increases, hence COP may increase, decrease or remain same. In case of R134A and R12, COP increases with superheating, whereas in case of R22 and NH3, COP decrease with superheating. Subcooling of liquid in the condenser. pH subcooling means this moving in this direction, this is moved in this direction. Refrigeration effect increases, COP work input, this line is not changed, so remains same. COP increases as refrigeration effect increased, and this remains same. Eta V also remains same as P2 by P1 remains same. Wet compression versus dry compression. 1 to 2 is wet compression, as it is as 1 is in the wet region. 1 prime to 2 prime is dry compression. In wet compression, the refrigeration effect is less in this area than dry compression due to incomplete vaporization of the refrigerant. In wet compression, work input is also less as compared to dry compression because of less specific volume, less specific volume. Okay, generally COP is more with wet compression, but whenever reciprocating compressor is used, wet compressor is not preferred, because liquid particles in refrigerant wash away lubricant oil, hence increase wear and tear of compressor. Liquid particles damage the valves in reciprocating compressor. Secondary refrigerant and primary refrigerant. The refrigerant which flows through refrigeration equipment is called primary refrigerant. The secondary refrigerant which absorbs heat from the refrigerant space and rejects to primary refrigerant. Secondary refrigerant used in milk chilling plant is brine solution. In air conditioning, secondary refrigerant is air. Secondary refrigerant is air. Use of secondary refrigerant helps in saving cost associated with the amount of primary refrigerant. It facilitates the use of a primary refrigerant having good thermodynamic properties irrespective of its toxic nature. Eliminates direct mixing. For example, this is milk. Secondary solution will pass through the milk. Brine tank will be here. NH3 is primary refrigerant, which will be connected to compressor, and NH3 will be running through the refrigerant equipment. But brine tank is the one which takes up, which rejects heat to NH3 and flows through the milk. From that, milk is cooled. Use of regenerative heat exchanger, liquid line heat exchanger, or liquid line heat exchanger, or subcooling heat exchanger. Compressor, condenser, compressor, then condenser, then it is flowed through a heat exchanger. After evaporator, then it is flowed through the heat exchanger. These two, like Q loss. Here Q gain is Q lost here is used for Q gain here. Q lost is equal to Q gain. R refrigeration effect is equal to H1 minus H4 plus H4 minus H4. H1 minus H4 plus H4 minus H4 prime plus H4 minus H4 prime, as these two represents a heat gen. These two represent a heat exchanger. The Q loss and Q gain are used. Refrigeration effect is equal to H1 minus H4 plus H4 minus H4 prime. Q lost is equal to Q gain. H1 H3 minus H3 prime is equal to H1 prime minus H1 Cp liquid into T3 minus T3 prime is equal to Cpv into T1 prime minus T1. Degree of, this is degree of subcooling, this is degree of superheating. In regenerative heat exchanger, heat loss is equal to heat gained by such a degree of subcooling is not equal to degree of superheating because specific heat of liquid and vapor is different. Use of regenerative heat exchanger versus superheating in evaporator. Refrigeration effect is just if only refrigeration, only regenerative, only superheating is there, then refrigeration effect is equal to H1 minus H4 plus H1 prime minus H1. In evaporator superheating, this is in evaporator superheating. In regenerative heat exchanger, RE is equal to H1 minus H4 plus H4 prime minus H4. This is X, this is X. In X, in both cases, the refrigeration effect and work input and hence COP comes out to be the same. But increased refrigeration effect is obtained at lower temperature in regenerative heat exchanger compared to evaporator. Refrigeration effect work input all are same, but the increased refrigeration effect is obtained at lower temperature and regenerative heat exchanger compared to evaporator. Cascade refrigeration system, for producing very low temperature, the corresponding pressure ratio becomes very high, hence volumetric efficiency becomes very low. Therefore cascading of refrigeration system is done. It is used in medical industry. Condenser or this NH3 will be moving, and CO2 will be moving in here. Compressor Q2, evaporator. Q1 refrigeration effect. This Q1 is refrigeration effect. Q2 from this refrigeration cycle will be used for evaporator in NH3 cycle. Condenser Q3 will be released out. If we represent in TS diagram, there will be two cycles representing like this. Q2 will be from here, will be used here. So 1 2 3 prime, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime. Q2 R1 R2, this refrigeration diagram. COP1 is equal to Q1 by W1, COP2 is equal to Q2 by W2. COP overall is equal to Q1 by W1 plus W2. To prove COP is equal to COP1 into COP2 by 1 plus COP1 plus COP2. COP is equal to Q1 by W1 plus W2 is equal to Q1 by COP1 plus W2 is equal to COP1 into Q1 by Q1 plus W2 COP2. COP is equal to COP2 by 1 plus W2 by Q1 into COP1. COP2 is equal to Q2 by W2. Q1 plus W1 is equal to Q2. 1 plus W1 by Q1 is equal to Q2 by Q1. 1 plus 1 by COP2 is equal 1 plus 1 by COP1 is equal to Q2 by Q1. COP is equal to COP1 by 1 plus COP1 by Q into Q2 by COP2. Q1 is equal to 1 plus COP1 by 1 plus COP1 by COP2 into Q2 by Q1. COP is equal to COP1 into COP2 by 1 plus COP1 plus COP2. Vapor absorption refrigeration system VAS. From condenser throttling evaporator is same, but complete this compressor portion is not there. It is replaced by this whole system of vapor absorption. If NH3 vapor, it will go through first it will go through NH3 H2O QA rejected NH3 plus H2O pump heated Q NH3 plus H2O. Q is sunlight. From sunlight it is used analyzer. Then H2O is separated and NH3 is sent here. Now in through rectifier, pure NH3 vapor passes through condenser. Pure NH3 vapor enters absorber where it is absorbed in water H2O. Pure NH3 vapor enters absorber. Pure NH3 enters absorber where it is absorbed in H2O. The reaction is exothermic. The solubility of NH3 is inversely proportional to temperature of solution. Cooling water is continuously circulated to maintain a low temperature of solution. To facilitate absorption of NH3, solution rich in NH3 is pumped into generator via regenerative heat exchanger. In generator, this solution absorbs heat and NH3 separates from high pressure NH3 vapor. Here it will pass through pump, then regenerative heat exchanger. Okay. In regenerative heat exchanger, solution absorbs some heat from the water moving towards absorber. This reduces the need of heat absorption from generator. High pressure NH3 vapor is passed through analyzer where water vapor condenses. For complete removal of water vapor present with NH3 vapor, rectifier is installed. Water vapor presence is undesirable because it may freeze at exit of throttling valve because of low temperature, thus choking of the system may occur. Important points: VAS works on low grade energy, that is heat, whereas VCRS works on high grade energy, that is work. Hence COP of VAS is less 0.3 to 0.5. Most popular VAS is NH3H2O system. In this water is absorbent and NH3 is refrigerant. Other popular systems are H2O LiCl and H2O LiBr. In these two, water is a refrigerant and hence used for air conditioning purpose. VAS are used very where large waste heat is available or cost of electricity is very high. Solar refrigeration system and geothermal refrigeration system are based on VAS. Heat is absorbed in generator and evaporator, and heat is rejected in condenser and absorber. Electrolux refrigeration system is VAS. It has three fluids: NH3, H2O, and H2. Here NH3 is the refrigerant, H2O is the absorbent, and H2 is used to create low partial pressure of NH3. No pump is used in this system, and the fluid flows under action of gravity due to density difference. COP is equal to Q evaporator by Qg plus Wp, as Qg is provided and Wp is pump work. Qg is greater than Wp, so COP is equal to QE by Qg. For COP max, reversible refrigerator should be reversible. So energy conservation, Qg plus QE plus Wp is equal to Qc plus Qa. Neglecting Wp, Qg plus Qe is equal to Qc plus Qa. Second law, integral dq by t reversible is equal to 0. Qg by Tg plus Qe by Te is equal minus Qa plus Qc by To is equal to 0. From equation 1 and 2, Qg by Tg plus Qe by Te minus Qg plus Qe by Ty is equal to 0. Qe into 1 by Te minus 1 by Ty is equal to Qg into 1 by Ty minus 1 by Tg. Qe into To minus Te by To Te is equal to Qg into Tg minus To by To Tg. Qe by Qg is equal to Te by Tg into Tg minus To by To minus T. COP max is equal to Te into Tg minus To by Tg into To minus Te. Gas refrigeration cycle, reversed Brayton cycle, aircraft to air conditioning cycle, gas liquefaction cycle, Bell-Coleman cycle. TS, just draw Rankine, reverse Brayton cycle, 1 or 2 isentropic compression, then 2 to 3 heat rejection, 3 to 4 isentropic expansion, 4 to 1 heat addition adiabatic. Mm, uh, 1 to 2 isentropic compression, 2 to 3 isobaric heat rejection, 3 to 4 isentropic expansion, 4 to 1 isobaric heat addition. PV 1 to 2 WC, 2 to 3 constant pressure heat rejected, 3 to 4 WT, 4 to 1 constant pressure heat added. 1 to 2 compressor cooler, then 3 to 4 expansion refrigerated space. This cycle is used for aircraft air conditioning because it's of low weight per ton of refrigeration. Air conditioning is done for cooling of aircraft because since aircraft moves at high altitude due to skin friction, a lot of heat is generated. Isentropic expander versus throttling. In gas refrigeration cycle, since air is used as refrigerant which behaves as ideal gas, hence throttling does not result in any temperature drop. Moreover, use of isentropic expander gives some work output which reduces the work input from outside. In VCRS, we don't use isentropic expander because the refrigerant remains liquid during most of its expansion, hence work uptime is very less. This does not justify the cost of isentropic expander, hence throttling is used since it is very cheap. TS diagram 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4s, as it is isentropic here, 4s to 1. Area 4s to 4 extra RE due to isentropic expander. This area is due to isentropic expander. Expression for COP is equal to RE by WC minus WT. RE is equal to H1 minus H4 is equal to CP into T1 minus T4. WC is equal to H2 minus H1 is equal to CP into T2 minus T1. Wt is equal to H3 minus H4 is equal to Cp into T3 minus T4. COP is equal to T1 minus T4 by T2 minus T1 minus T3 minus T4. COP is equal to T1 minus T4 by T2 minus T3 minus of T1 minus T4. COP is equal to 1 by T2 minus T3 by T1 minus T4 minus 1 is equal to 1 by T2 into 1 minus T3 by T2 by T2 into 1 minus T4 by T1 is equal to minus 1. Compression and expansion are isentropic, so T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma is equal to Rp power gamma. Let gamma minus 1 by gamma is equal to x. T3 by T4 is equal to Rp power x. Since T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T4, T4 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. 1 minus T4 by T2 is equal to 1 minus T3 by T2. COP is equal to 1 by T2 minus T2 by T1 minus 1. COP is equal to 1 by Rp power x minus 1. COP is equal to 1 by Rp power x minus 1. COP is equal to 1 by Rp power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1. In above cases, both compressor and turbine are ideal, but if they are not, eta isentropic compressor is equal to T2s minus T1 by T2 minus T1. Both will shift towards right. This turbine exit and compressor exit. Eta isentropic turbine efficiency is equal to T3 minus T4 by T3 minus T4s. Refrigerants. Naming of refrigerants: saturated hydrocarbon single bond CmHnFpClQ. 2m plus 2 is equal to n plus p plus q. Rm minus 1 n plus 1 p. Rm minus 1 n plus 1 p. For example, CCl2F2 m is equal to m is equal to 1, so m minus 1 is equal to 0, n is equal to 0, n plus 1 is equal to 1, p is equal to 2. R m minus 1 n plus 1 p is r 0 1 2 or r 1 2. R 1 1, then r 0 1 1, m minus 1 is 0, m is equal to 1, n plus 1, so n is equal to 0. P is equal to 1, so C H0 FCl3, so CFCl3. R22, R022, M is equal to 1, N is equal to 1, P is equal to 2, CHF2Cl, C2F3Cl, M is equal to 2, N is equal to 0, P is equal to 3, R1, R M minus 1, R113, R134, M minus 1 is equal to 1, N plus 1 is equal to 3, N is equal to 2, P is equal to 4, C2H2F4, Cl0, C2H2F4. Symmetric CHHFF, asymmetric CF CFHHFF, asymmetric R134A, that is asymmetric. Unsaturated hydrocarbon double bond CmHnFpClQ. 2m is equal to n plus p plus q. R1 m minus 1 n plus 1 p. 1 is extra. C2H4 R1 2 minus 1 4 plus 1 0 R1150. Inorganic R700 plus molecular mass. NH3 R717, H2O R718, air R729, SO2 R764, CO2 R744. Azeotrope as a pure substance R500 plus random number. R502 ingredient uh, section between. The mixture of refrigerant behaving as pure substance is called azeotrope. Properties of refrigerant. Properties of refrigerant: normal boiling point. The minimum pressure in the cycle is desired to be above atmospheric pressure. This is because if leakage occurs, we don't want air to leak inside the system because it will bring water vapor with itself, and which may freeze out at low temperature, hence choking the system. If evaporator pressure are close to atmospheric pressure, then refrigerant to boil at very low temperature. The normal boiling point should be lower than the desired temperature, hence low NBP refrigerant are desirable. Uh, Low NBP refrigerant are high pressure refrigerants. are high pressure refrigerants, a high NBP refrigerants or low pressure refrigerants. The air if enters in the system get trapped in the condenser. It increases condenser pressure, compressor power and cooling water temperature. The removal of trapped air in condenser is called purging.
Second parameter, critical point temperature. TES diagram for NH3, it is here higher, for CO2 it will be here like this. RC is equal to m dot into RE. Refrigeration effect decreases, m dot increases. T equal decreases, m dot increases. Refrigeration effect decreases. Refrigeration effect decreases. W dot increases. COP decreases. Volume increases. The critical point temperature of the refrigerant should be sufficiently more than the condenser temperature to facilitate heat transfer during the phase change. CO2 and ethylene have very low critical temperature, hence they are undesirable. Water has one of the highest critical temperature among commonly used refrigerant. Note, since heat transfer in Bell-Coleman cycle is sensible, hence the COP of this cycle is less than VCRS. Latent heat and specific heat. Latent heat of refrigerant should be high as it will result in lower mass flow rate. Specific heat should be low in liquid phase and high in vapor phase. RC is equal to m dot into RA. M dot decreases, RA increases. Freezing point should be lower than required temperature to avoid freezing of refrigerant. Water has good thermodynamic property, but because of its high freezing point, it is not used as refrigeration. It is not used as refrigeration. Yeah. Viscosity. The viscosity of refrigerant should be low to eliminate viscous loss. Pressure ratio. We should select a refrigerant which gives low pressure ratio corresponding to required evaporator and condenser temperature. Eta is equal to 1 plus C minus C into P2 by P1 whole power 1 minus. Specific volume at the inlet of compressor. The specific volume at the compressor inlet should be less because high specific volume result in large size compressor. R11 and R113 have high specific volume, hence they are used with centrifugal compressor. Compressor discharge temperature should be low. High compressor discharge temperature increases compressor damage. Since NH3 has high compressor discharge temperature, hence NH3 compressor are water cooled. Note, NH3 has high latent heat of vaporization. Toxicity and flammability. The refrigerant should be non-toxic and non-flammable. NH3 has very good thermodynamic properties, but it is not used in domestic application because of its toxic and flammable nature. Action with lubricating oil completely immiscible. Refrigerant like NH3 and CO2 which are completely immiscible with the lubricating oil are separated with the help of oil separator installed between compressor and condenser. The separated oil brought back to compressor. Completely miscible refrigerant like R11 and R22 which are completely miscible with lubricant oil do not present much problem because the oil which is washed away by refrigerant is brought back by in the compressor. Partially miscible, the refrigerant like an R22 present problem because if lubricating oil is washed away by refrigerant gets deposited in the evaporator. This leads to reduction in lubricating oil in compressor, hence wear and tear of compressor. In such cases, we use synthetic oil in place of lubricating oil. Action with material of construction. NH3 reacts with copper, hence NH3 is used as a refrigerant refrigerant. Copper is not used as material construction. Instead, wrought iron or steel is used. Freons react with aluminum, hence whenever freons are used as refrigerant, aluminum is not used. Instead of copper is used in the material of construction. Leak detection, halide torch test, it is used to detect leakage of freons. In presence of freons, the blue flame of hydrocarbon changes to bluish green. Sulfur stick or sulfur ribbon test. It is used to detect leakage of NH3. White fumes of NH3 twice as ammonium sulfide are formed with and sulfur stick is brought close to NH3. Ammonium swab test. A cloth dipped in NH3 is passed over leaking sulfur dioxide SO2. White fumes of NH4 twice SO2 are formed. Soap bubble test. Soap water is used to identify the leakage of hydrocarbon. Recent trend in refrigeration, CI element present in refrigerant dissociates in presence of sunlight. Chlorine element present in the refrigerant dissociates in presence of sunlight and react with O3 ozone, which is situated in stratosphere. Ozone layer filters the harmful ultraviolet ray from the sun, hence its depletion is undesirable. Therefore, the use of refrigerant containing chlorine has he discouraged and were replaced with, and we have replaced R12 in domestic refrigerator with R134A. The substitute for chlorofluorocarbon CFC is hydrocarbon fluorocarbon hydrofluorocarbon. Name of refrigerant user R12 domestic refrigerant earlier, R134A domestic refrigerant now, and car AC, R22 window AC, R11 central AC, NH3 industrial application ice making, aircraft plus AC, CO2 transport refrigeration, and direct contact food refrigeration.
Air conditioning. Air conditioning, it is the process of simultaneous control of temperature, humidity, velocity, and purity of air. Psychrometry, it is the branch of science which deals with properties of moist air. Moist air is considered as two components, hence three variables are required for our study. We have fixed total pressure equal to 1 atmosphere, therefore we are able to draw psychrometric chart in 2D. Moist air, dry air, water vapor. OM mass O2 21%, N2 79% by volume, O2 23%, N2 77% by mass. P plus F is equal to C plus 2, 1 plus F is equal to 2 plus 2, F is equal to 3. Pt is equal to P vapor plus P air. P total is equal to 1 atmosphere is equal to constant. Psychometric properties, PT, V, T, PA, VA, MV, MA. PV, V is equal to MV, RV, T. PA, V is equal to MA, RA, T. Here V is vapor, A is air. Specific humidity or humidity ratio or absolute humidity W. W is equal to MV by MA. From equation 1 and 2, PV by PA is equal to MV by MA into RV by RA. RV is R bar by 18, RA is R bar by 29. Mass of PV by PA is equal to MV by MA into 29 by 18. Mass of water vapor present in moist air per kg of dry air. MA by MA is equal to 18 by 29 into PV by PA. W is MA by MA is equal to 0.622 PV by PT minus PV. MT is equal to MV plus MA. MT by MA is equal to MV by MA plus 1. MT by MA is equal to W plus 1. MA is equal to MT by W plus 1. Relative humidity pi. PV, MV, PT, TV. This is saturated. PT, MVS, PVS, TV. PVV is equal to MV, RV, T. PVSV is equal to MVS RVT. PV by PVS is equal to MV by MVS. Pi is equal to PV by PVS is equal to MV by MVS. VS means saturated vapor. Relative humidity represent vapor absorption capacity, whereas specific humidity may represent actual mass of vapor. If relative humidity is 100%, 100%, air is called saturated air. Dry bulb temperature dBT. It is normal temperature measured by an ordinary thermometer. Wet bulb temperature WBT. It is minimum temperature achieved by a wet cloth due to evaporation of water. By a wet cloth due to evaporation of water. It is temperature measured by thermometer whose tip is covered with wet cloth. It is temperature up to which air can be cooled in a desert cooler. It is temperature up to which water can be cooled in cooling towers. It is minimum temperature up to which water can be cooled in earth and pot. Wet bulb depression is equal to dBT minus WBT. WBT is equal to dBT minus WBT. Use of desert cooler is beneficial if WBT is high. For saturated air, dBT is equal to WBT. WBT 26 degrees, 30 dBT 30 degrees. There a mesh thermometer will have both WBT and dBT a single line. Dew point temperature. This 4 bar. This is this point. This is dBT wet bulb temp. This is dBT dry bulb temperature. This is WBT wet bulb temperature, and at this point PV and dBT. This is dBT dry dew point temperature. Unsaturated dBT greater than WBT greater than dPT. Saturated dBT equal to WBT is equal to dPT. Dew point temperature is the temperature of air at which water vapor present in air starts condensing when cooled at constant pressure. This is dPT. When cooled at constant pressure, from here it is the temperature at which and cooled at constant cooled at constant pressure. Air is saturated means water vapor present in air is saturated. Air is unsaturated means water vapor present in air is unsaturated. Saturation pressure corresponding to dew point temperature is partial pressure of vapor in air at dBT. Saturation pressure at dew point temperature is partial pressure of vapor in air at dBT. Enthalpy of moist air capital H is equal to HA plus HV. H is equal to MEHA plus MVHV. Dry air DHA is equal to CPA DT at T is equal to 0 degrees. HA is equal at HA is equal to 0 at T is equal to T degrees centigrade at HA is equal to HA. HA minus 0 is equal to CPA into T minus 0. HA is equal to CPA into T. T is in degrees centigrade. Water vapor at 0 degrees centigrade, HF is equal to 0, HV is equal to 2500 plus CPVT in T minus 0, HV is equal to 2500 plus 1.88 T, H is equal to MA into CPA T plus MV into 2500 plus 1.88 T, H is equal to capital H by MA is equal to 1.005 T plus MV by MA into 2500 plus 1.88 T. Small h is equal to 1.005 T plus W into 2500 plus 1.88 T kilojoule per kg dry air. Degree of saturation mu percent humidity. Mu is equal to W by Ws is equal to 0.622 PV by PT minus PV by 0.622 PVS by PT minus PV. Mu is equal to PV by PVS into PT minus PVS by PT minus PV. Mu is equal to pi into PT minus PVS by PT minus PV. Epson rule formula PV is equal to PV prime minus 1.8 into P into T minus T prime by 2700. PV is equal to saturation pressure, PV is equal to partial pressure of vapor. PV prime is equal to saturation pressure corresponding to WBT. P is equal to total pressure, T is equal to dBT, T prime is equal to WBT. Alignment circle is a point on psychrometric chart. dBT is equal to 20 degrees centigrade, pi is equal to 50%. Development of psychrometric chart. TS diagram, it will be like this, and constant pressure lines are like this. This pressure and temperature diagram, saturation line is like this. So temperature PV saturation curve will be like this. Temperature W saturation curve will be like this. W is equal to 0.622 into PV by PT minus PV is equal to F of PV. At PV is 1 atmosphere, at W at PV is equal to 2 kilopascal at 0.01. Humidity ratio is function of PV. Various lines on psychrometric chart, constant dBT lines, it will be straight lines here. T will be increasing in this direction. Constant W lines are like this. Constant RH lines, pi is equal to 1, pi is equal to 0 0.1, pi is equal to 0.8. Constant H lines, it will be like inclined like this. Constant V lines, it will be inclined like this. V specific volume, V is equal to V by MA, MA is equal to hectare V by V. MA dry air mass remains same. Constant dPT lines, dew point temperature, 1 to 3 30 degrees, 25 degrees. Uh, dpt is 18 degrees. If from 1 draw a straight line, if PV remains same, dpt remains same. dpt is same. W is equal to F of PV only. If PV is same, W is same. Constant dpt lines follow constant W line and are horizontal lines on psychrometric chart. WBT line, though there is slight deviation from constant WBT lines and constant enthalpy lines, but for all practical purpose, these lines are taken as same. Various processes on psychrometric chart: sensible cooling and sensible heating. Sensible heating, W remains same. Sensible heating, T coil greater than dBT. Sensible cooling, dPT less than, T cooling less than dBT. The process followed in electrical room heater is sensible heating. Humidification and dehumidification, W increasing is humidification, W decreasing is dehumidification. Heating and humidification, it will be like this: T increasing and W also increasing. Cooling and dehumidification, it heating and humidification is example: steam spray in air. Cooling and humidification, example: desert cooler. Follow adiabatic saturation process. If adiabatic saturation, if cooling and humidification occurs when air interact with water in absence of cooling coil, then the process is called adiabatic saturation. Adiabatic saturation lines are isenthalpic lines and also constant WBT lines. Temperature corresponding to the point where adiabatic saturation line, when produced, intersects saturation curve is called thermodynamic wet bulb temperature or adiabatic saturation temperature. Thermodynamic wet bulb temperature is a property of air, whereas WBT is not a property of air. TWBT less than or equal to WBT. Cooling and dehumidification, it will be like this: temperature, no temperature, this is cooling and dehumidification. Temperature decreases and W also decreases. This apparatus dew point at which it will intersect is apparatus dew point temperature. this line intersect the cooling and dehumidification process. Lines which when produced intersect saturation curve at the point called as operator's dew point. The temperature corresponding to this point is the temperature of cooling coil called as operator's dew point temperature. The process followed in summer air conditioning is cooling and dehumidification. Coil 30 degrees. Okay, water. Heating and dehumidification. This process is carried out heating and dehumidification. This process is carried out with help of chemicals like alumina Al2O3. These chemicals absorb water vapor from air, and water vapor will, while leaving the air, condenses and rejects heat of condensation in the air. Hence, the temperature of air increases. Hence temperature of air increases. This process is called adiabatic chemical dehumidification. Enthalpy of air remains constant during the process. Enthalpy of air remains constant during the process. Summer air conditioning with ventilation air is one AC equipment T2 15 degrees, 2 AC space TA 25 degrees, fresh air or ventilation air or outside air 40 degrees 25% to 35%, split AC condenser evaporator inside evaporator where throttling inside or condenser and compressor outside, split AC condenser and compressor outside. GS, this is RSHF line. I22 122 is Grasha GSHF line. This intersection is ADP TADP. The line joining inlet and exit conditions of AC equipment is called grand sensible heat factor line. This 122. The line joining supply condition to the room with room inside conditions is called room sensible heat factor line RSHF. The intersection of RSHF and GSHF gives supply conditions to the room. The outside air supplied in order to maintain purity of air is called ventilation air or fresh air. In hospitals, recirculated air should be 0 and ventilation air or fresh should be 100%. Air changes per hour ACH is equal to VO by V. VO meter cube per hour, V meter cube. VO outside air, V volume of AC space. Air changes per minute is equal to VO meter cube per minute by V meter cube. Cubic meter per minute, M meter cube per minute. Winter air conditioning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 2 preheating, 2 to 3 water spray, 3 to 4 reheating. 1 to 2 sensible heating, 2 to 3 adiabatic saturation, 3 to 4 sensible heating. The 1 to 3 heat and humidification, 3 to 4 sensible heating. In winters, outside air is at low W and low temperature, hence heating and humidification of air is required. This can be achieved by one of above method. Air washer T1, these are processes on TW greater than dBT, TW greater than dBT, heating and humidification, heating coil HA increases. TW equal to dBT, humidification, TW is humidification, heating coil HA increases. WBT less than TW less than dBT, cooling and humidification, heating coil HA. TW is equal to WBT, cooling and humidification, no coil, HA is equal to constant. dBT less than TW less than WBT, cooling and humidification, cooling coil HA decreases. TW is equal to dPT, sensible cooling, cooling coil HA decreases. TW less than dPT, cooling and dehumidification, cooling coil HA decreases. Human comfort and effective temperature. The physical comfort of a human being, which can be adjusted by adjusting the temperature, humidity, air velocity, and purity of air. Effective temperature is temperature of saturated environment where the person feels same level of comfort as in normal environment. According to study conducted by American Society for Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers, ASHRAE, 99% of the adults wearing light clothes involved in light activity, example office work, will experience comfort at DBT 24 to 25 degrees centigrade and relative humidity 50 to 60%. Effective temperature 21.6 degrees centigrade summer, 20 degrees winter. Factors affecting human comfort: gender, man experience comfort at lower temperature compared to women. Age, adult experience comfort at lower temperature compared to children and old age people. Kind of clothing, people wearing light clothes will experience comfort at relatively high temperature compared to people wearing heavy clothes. Kind of activity, person involved in heavy physical activity, for example gym, will experience comfort at lower temperature compared to person involved in light activity, office work. Climatic condition, people habitual to cold climate experience comfort at lower temperature compared to people living in hot climatic condition. Seasons, people experience comfort at lower temperature in winters and compared to summer. Comfort chart: 24 to 25 degrees, 60 to 50%. This area is comfort zone. The chart representing the year-round comfort condition is called comfort chart. Performance curve, eta v P operation, it will be like this. M dot versus P operation, eta is equal to 0, it will be like this. Work input versus P operator, also same. Work input versus P operator, parabola, W dot max, W dot operator. The operating is less than double is the maximum power, but compressor motors are designed for maximum power condition, because for reaching the operating power we have to cross maximum power condition. Refrigeration equipments: compressor, hermetically sealed compressor. In this compressor, motor are installed in on a steel shell. Occupies less space, noise generation is low. Used in domestic application. Maintenance is difficult and motor cooling is achieved by rejecting heat to the suction vapor at two compressor. This results in superheating of vapor, hence increasing work input and decreasing COP of unit. Open type compressor. Compressor and motor are installed on separate shafts joined by a belt and pulley arrangement. Maintenance is easy and motor calls by itself. Used in industrial application, occupies large space and noise generation is high. Semi-hermetic compressor, motor and compressor are installed on separate shaft and shield separately. They are connected by belt and pulley arrangement. The merit and demerit are in between the above two compressor. Condenser, air cooled, less than 5 ton refrigeration, window air conditioning, domestic refrigerant. Water cooled, shell type, shell and coil, used when pure water available. Evaporative, baffles, used when water storage. In both shell and tube and shell and coil type condenser, the refrigerant flows through shell. The flow through tube is avoided to avoid pressure loss and refrigerant. Shell and coil type condenser can be used only when pure water is available because scaling problem in the coil. Evaporative condenser is used when there is used where there is shortage of water. Water absorbs heat from refrigerant and is further cooled due to evaporative action as it comes in contact with air. Heat rejection factor or heat rejection ratio, HRR, heat rejection ratio is equal to Q dot rejected by refrigeration effect is equal to Q rejected by refrigeration effect is equal to work input plus refrigeration effect by refrigeration effect. HRR is equal to 1 by COP plus 1. Heat rejection ratio signifies size of condenser in hermetically sealed unit. Since COP less than 1, Since COP is less, COP is always greater than 1. COP is less, HR is a high, hence larger size of condenser are used. Evaporator, coil type, window air conditioning, plate type, domestic refrigerant. Expansion devices, constant area type, capillary type, domestic refrigerant, window AC, variable area, automatic expansion valve, thermostatic expansion valve, TEV. Automatic expansion valve maintain constant pressure in evaporator, used when load is almost constant. For example, milk chilling plant. Thermostatic expansion valve maintain constant degree of superheat, used when load is variable. Sensible bulb is locating at exit of evaporator. Alternative overfeeding and starving of refrigerant in evaporator will lead to hunting in thermostatic expansion valve, sensing valve, evaporator coil, TEV from condenser to compressor, flash chamber, compressor, evaporator, flash chamber, vapor refrigeration, throttling valve. Yes, TS 122, 324. Theoretically, there is no improvement in COP, but practically, as the vapor is bypassed, the pressure loss during flow reduces and COP improves slightly. Float valve, those valves are used for regulating the level of liquid refrigerant. It is called a high side float valve if used on high pressure side, that is condenser, and called low side float valve if it is used on low pressure side, that is evaporator. Sensible heat factor or latent heat factor. 1 to 2, this is 3 straight lines, draw straight lines. Total heat removed, TH is equal to H1 minus H2. Latent heat, LH is equal to H1 minus H3. H1 minus H3. Sensible heat, SH is equal to H3 minus H2. SHF is equal to H3 minus H2 by H1 minus H3. LHF is equal to H1 minus H3 by H1 minus H3 H1 minus H3 by H1 minus H2. SHF plus LHF is equal to 1. Bypass factor or contact factor, eta coil efficiency. If 1 to 2 is like this, BPF bypass factor is equal to T2 minus TADP by T1 minus TADP. That is maximum possible by law, numerator is loss. T2 minus TADP is equal to W2 minus WADP by W1 minus WADP is equal to H2 minus HADP by H1 minus HADP. Contact factor is like efficiency is equal to T1 minus T2 by T1 minus TADP. BPF plus eta is equal to 1. The bypass factor depends on placing of the coil. It also depends on air velocity. As air velocity increases, bypass factor increases. Latent heat factor is high when relative humidity is high. Example, during rainy season, LHF is also high for the place of high occupancy like movie hall, auditorium. Effective bypass factor, note for calculation of effective bypass factor, dry air is considered. 1 or 2, A, B, C, D, 1 minus xt1, 1 minus xtc, 1 minus xtc, xt2. Okay, energy conservation from A to B, apply energy conservation. Similarly, from C to D also apply energy conservation. Finally, after solving these equations, xc is equal to x square between these two. So from that, for n coils, xc effective is equal to x power n. By effective bypass factor, if two coils are used, then x square. If three are used, x per cube. If n coils are used, then xc is equal to x power n. Adiabatic mixing of air streams, 1 or 2 mixed to get 3. Conservation of mass, Ma1 plus Ma2 is equal to Ma3. Dry air, water vapor, Ma1 plus Ma2 is equal to Ma3. Only when no condensation is there. W is equal to Ma by Ma. W1 Ma1 is equal to W2 Ma2 is equal to W3 Ma3. W1 Ma1 plus W2 Ma2 is equal to W3 Ma1 plus W3 Ma2. Ma1 by Ma2 is equal to W3 minus W2 by W1 minus W3. Opposite. Similarly, energy conservation, Ma1H1 plus Ma2H2 is equal to Ma3H3. H3 can be written as H1 plus H2. Ma1 by Ma2 is equal to H3 minus H2 by H1 minus H3.